Most people believe that the more reps you do, the stronger you become. More movement, more sweat, more pain. That's what we've been taught for years. But what if that idea is completely wrong? What if real strength isn't built through endless reps, but through stillness? Think about this for a moment. Ancient warriors who fought for hours in heavy armor, elite athletes pushing their bodies to the limit, and special forces soldiers who need strength that doesn't fail under pressure. They all use one powerful method that many people in modern gyms ignore: isometric training. Instead of moving weights up and down, isometric exercises train your muscles by holding one position under constant tension. No momentum, no rest between reps, just pure strength. And the best part is, you don't need any equipment. Just 5 simple holds, done 3 times a week, can dramatically improve your strength, posture, and muscle endurance. Let's start with the first one. Number 1. The plank hold. Most people think the plank is just a simple core exercise, but when done correctly, it becomes a full-body challenge. Get down on your forearms with your elbows under your shoulders. Now create a straight line from your head to your heels. Tighten your core as if someone is about to punch you in the stomach. Squeeze your glutes, tighten your legs, and pull your shoulders slightly back. Suddenly, the plank becomes much harder. Every muscle in your body is working to keep you stable. Start with 30 seconds of perfect form. Once that becomes easy, push it to 45 seconds and then 1 full minute. Next is the isometric push-up hold. Lower yourself halfway into a push-up and stop right there. Don't move, just hold. This middle position is where most people fail during push-ups. By holding this exact position, you strengthen the weakest part of the movement. Your chest, shoulders, and triceps will quickly start burning. That's because your muscles are working without any break. Start with 15 seconds and slowly work your way up to 30 seconds. Number 3. The Superman hold. Lie face down on the floor with your arms stretched forward. Now lift your arms, chest, and legs slightly off the ground. You should feel your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings working together. This exercise strengthens your entire posterior chain, the muscles responsible for keeping your posture strong and upright. In today's world, most people spend hours sitting and leaning forward. Over time, this weakens the muscles that hold your spine in a healthy position. The Superman hold helps reverse that damage. Hold the position for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat it 3 times. Number 4. The wall sit. Stand against a wall and slowly slide down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Your knees should form a 90-degree angle. Now hold that position. At first, it might feel easy, but after 20 seconds, your legs will begin to shake, your quads will burn, and your brain will start telling you to stand up. That constant tension is what makes this exercise so powerful. Push through your heels and keep your back flat against the wall. Start with 30 seconds and work toward holding the position for a full minute. Finally, the pull-up hold. Grab a pull-up bar and pull yourself up until your chin is above the bar. Now stay there. Your arms, back, and grip will immediately start working hard to keep you in that position. If you can't pull yourself up yet, simply hang from the bar. Even a 20 to 30 second dead hang will begin building serious grip and upper body strength. Over time, your body adapts, and those pull-ups that once felt impossible become easier. Now here's how to combine everything. Perform wall sits, planks, Superman holds, push-up holds, and pull-up holds. 3 sets of each exercise. Hold every position for 20 to 60 seconds depending on your level. Do this routine 3 times per week. Within a few weeks, you'll notice stronger muscles, better posture, and improved endurance. Because real strength isn't always built through movement. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is stay completely still. And if you want more simple training methods that actually work, make sure you subscribe. Your strongest body might come from the exercises most people ignore.